Today, we're working with IGK girl Ira. She has medium textured hair that is dense and wavy. Start off the style by using a dime-size amount of Smoke and Mirrors Conditioning Cleansing Oil on wet hair to gently cleanse. Once the hair is dry, spray laid back root through mid-shaft to eliminate tangles, static, and frizz. To begin the style, part hair from recession to nape. On the braided side, thoroughly apply Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel for moisture and grip. Begin with a 2-strand braid that follows the hairline from nape to recession. Once at the recession, using strong tension, twist the remaining strands in opposite directions and then wrap into a top knot and pin. Apply laid back for heat protection. Using an 1¼ inch iron, create a horizontal S-pattern wave. Lightly brush through the hair to blend the pattern. For added lift and separation, add a pea-sized amount of Broken Dreams and massage through the root. To complete this look, use jet lag for an airy textured finish.